The FLOSS Rule Deck by Bjorem Speech helps you to teach the FLOSS rule, a spelling rule that states when you have a word that has one syllable, one short vowel, and ends in the letters F, L, S, or Z, then you double those letters at the end of the word. However, it can be a little confusing because there are some rule breaker words, but don't worry, we've included them. This deck is the greatest new addition to your spelling instruction toolbox, as it was designed to explicitly teach and reinforce the FLOSS rule for spelling. In total, there are 48 cards in this deck, including words that end in double F, double Z, double L, double S, and of course, a few of those rule breaker words. Our thick, durable cards are a soft matte texture with an engaging illustration on the front, and on the back we have the word and an example sentence, along with organizational elements such as color coding, numbering, category, spelling rule, and of course the name of the deck. Now let's go over the many ways that you can use this deck for literacy practice. First, try changing a sound. Change the first sound in a word and see if you create a new word. This phonemic awareness activity can help teach that one sound can change the entire meaning of a word. Each individual sound matters. Remember, talk about the sounds in the words, not the letters in the words. Next, let's try to create a rhyme. Rhyme creation and rhyme detection are two great ways to work on phonological awareness skills. Highlight how changing one sound can create a rhyme and a new word. See how many words you can find in the deck that rhyme. What about a vowel sort? Understanding the difference between consonants and vowels is key for kids. The FLOSS rule is one of many short vowel spelling rules. Sort cards by similar vowel sounds and pair with the Bjorem speech sound cues for helpful visuals. Next, adding prefixes or suffixes changes a word's meaning or part of speech. Ask 1. Did the number of syllables in the word change? And 2. Did the meaning of the word change? How? Affixes help kids notice patterns, decode longer words, and expand vocabulary. Pair with the Bjorem speech, prefixes, suffixes, and bases deck for more ideas. Now let's talk about segmenting sounds, a phonemic awareness activity that teaches how each sound has its own individual role in making a word. Pay attention to the sounds of each word and the letters. This can help us learn how some letters can act like teammates to produce one sound. Creating sentences with target words helps ensure that each child understands the meaning of each word and is also a great way to build vocabulary. It's okay to make a sentence silly as long as the sentence makes sense. Can you put one word into a sentence? Then try 2. And that's a wrap. Elevate your literacy instruction today with this FLOSS deck from Bjorem Speech Publications.